2 says for each parabola state the vertex, whether the vertex is max or min, state the equation of the axis of symmetry, domain, and range. Lots of stuff. On number 1, where is the vertex? 2, 0, yes. Okay. Is the vertex a maximum or minimum point? Minimum, because it's at the bottom. As low as it goes. Alright, you guys might have forgot this. What is the axis of symmetry?
Where it crosses the Y?
No, that would be the y-intercept. The axis of symmetry is the line down the middle that both sides of the parabola is symmetrical. So, how do we describe the axis of symmetry? X equals 2. Vertical lines are described as x equals, and it always equals the x coordinate of the vertex. X equals 2. What is the domain? All real numbers. The domain is the x values. It goes forever to the left and right, so there is no limit. So it's all real. Huh? This is probably 2 weeks before the break, I bet.
That's too many weeks. This is a long chapter.
No, average probably for this book.
Again?
Okay. The range, this was like the first assignment. So, range are y values, so how low and high does it go?
Greater than 0.
Right, kind of starts at the vertex, so it's 0 and above. So, y is greater than or equal to 0. I don't think we have enough phones up there. Trey, is your phone up there?
Yes.
Hey, Trey. When you go up there, could you put my phone up too?
Wait, is my phone up there?
7.
Don't have it to me yet, so. Oh, wait.
I can get to it before you back, before you get your phone.
I don't know my phone is, Mr. Clinton.
Pockets.
I feel like your screen's gonna get smashed.
I feel like Caleb has it or
With the
something.
full book pack.
That's who found it.
Less eating. You're supposed to look in your backpack, not skim through your backpack.
He doesn't understand.
Just so dumb.
What are we talking about?
Trey.
Math.
I think we're done. Number 3. Use the function y equals 2 x plus 3 squared. Alright, this, I'm guessing you guys forgot. This is a parabola written in vertex form. So the first question on number 3 is, what is the vertex for this parabola? You guys remember what this plus 3 does to the graph?
Left.
Left 3 and
Up 4.
up 4. So if the vertex is left 3, up 4, where is it?
Negative 3.
Negative 3, 4. Okay, second question. Is the vertex a max or min? So is this parabola going to be going up or down? Up, because it's positive. So if it's going up, is the vertex a max or minimum? Minimum. What is the axis of symmetry? Yeah, it always shares the x coordinate with the vertex. The last question on 3 is what's the y-intercept? We talked about this like 5 minutes ago. How do we find the y-intercept?
Oh, put in the 0 for
Put in, right, you put a 0 in for x. It's not gonna be 4 on this one.
So 3 squared.
0 plus 3 is 3 squared,
9.
9 times 2, 18 plus 4.
20.
So it's
Yeah, 20. Give me a second.
22. So fortunately they did not ask us to graph this one.
Very fortunate. Or more, I don't know.
Okay, on number 4, it says state the function's domain and range. So what's the domain always on parabolas? All real. The range is like you're starting at the vertex going up, right? So you kind of have to look at the vertex. Okay, so in number 5, it says for each function state the vertex, whether the vertex is max or min, whether the function's graph is steeper, flatter, or the same shape as a normal x squared. Then graph the function. So that was, we got the graph paper ready to go. Alright, question 1. Where's the vertex? You guys know what that 4 does to the graph?
Makes it 4 times steeper.
Make it go, yeah, it makes it goes up 4 times as fast. So, does it move the vertex at all?
No.
No.
0, 0.
So the vertex is still at 0, 0. That was question 1. Second question was, okay, is the parabola going to be going up or down?
Up.
Up. So is the vertex a min or a maximum point?
Minimum.
Min, because it's at the bottom of the parabola. Okay, is the parabola going up steeper or flatter than normal? Steeper. The 4, any number bigger than 1 makes it, on the first term, makes it go up faster. So 4 makes it go up 4 times as fast as normal. I think that was all the questions. Yeah, it said graph it.
How many points do you want?
It's normal.
We can
3 linear points. No. Okay, well, I'm gonna make my graph look like that because I know it's starting at 0, 0 and it's going up very quickly. So, you guys remember how we did these? A few of these. X, Y, and I'm gonna start with 0, 0 is my vertex. What would be some good X values to plug in here? 1 and 2. Just something close to the vertex. If I plug in 1 squared times 4. Plug in 2 squared, 4 times 4. It's going up to 16. What might be a good plan of action here?
Oh, I did that wrong.
Count by 2s. So I'm going to label my graph to show that we're counting by 2s. So 0, 0. Where would 1, 4 be? If I'm counting by 2s, it'd be like half a step to the right and then up a couple units. That is 1, 4. And 216 would be 2's 1 step to the right, and then 16 would be like 8 steps up. So. Then what did we do? Mirror it. So you need to know which of these is the vertex. This is not the vertex. Some of you got that wrong in the homework. Like tried to mirror it over here or
And
something.
then it looked weird.
Yeah, it'll look, I'll show you what it'll look like on the next one. Vertex is the middle. So it is very steep. Very, very steep. Okay, number 7. Y equals negative 1 half x squared plus x. 2. Alright, question number 1. Where's the vertex? Well, the 1/2 just makes it go half as fast
0.
down because it's negative. But the +2 does move the graph up 2, so the vertex is up 2, so it's at 0, 2. Okay, so what does this negative do to the graph?
Down,
Makes it go down. What does the 1/2 do?
flatter.
Makes it go down slower. Like, yeah, it's brighter. Half as fast going down. So if it's going down kind of slow, is the vertex a max or minimum point? And then, I forgot the third question. Oh, is it going down fast, or is it steep or flat? Flat. Flatter.
Did you just know it was a maximum because it's negative?
Yeah, because if the parabola is going down, the vertex can be at the top. Max. All right. So 0, 2 is the vertex. What would be a good x value to plug in here? 1 and 2 again. If I plug in 1, 1 squared is 1 times negative 1/2 is negative 1/2 plus 2. If I plug in 2, 2 squared is 4 times negative 1/2 is negative 2 plus 2. So 0, 2 is the vertex, that's right there. 1, 1.5, and 2, 0. Okay. Here's where some of you got it wrong in the homework. You tried to use like 2, 0 as the vertex instead of that, and you did something like this. And then you did something weird like that.
Yeah.
It's like the Longhorns. Yeah, that's not right. So this is the vertex, this is the middle of the graph, so we're reflecting it this way.
I did fix it before turning it in. It never happened.
I thought you said, did you draw it after? Is it pretty? No.
You're gonna get taken off YouTube.
Is that what it is?
I feel like songs and books that are like super old don't have copyrights on them.
Really?
After 70 years, it.
70 years?
Yep.
So the Hobbit
So yeah, that's probably.
and the Lord of the Rings.
I can probably
There's a
sing.
kid in my class.
I can probably sing White Christmas. So, does that mean anybody can publish Lord of the Rings now?
I think so.
I think so.
I can
It's
pump
not like
everything.
J.R.R. Tolkien's gonna come and like sue him.
Well, I'm saying his family.
Or maybe it's
Wouldn't
like
get the
70 years
money.
after death.
It's 70 years after.
I could publish this.
So I don't know how long he's been dead.
Maybe that's why they're like.
That's a fancy one.
Can you renew
Like
it?
everyone's saying. That is a fancy one.
What? Can you renew a copyright?
Maybe we'll Google this
It's
later.
not that he
Yeah.
can do it
It's
for
kind of a
others.
big deal because
It's that he's just doing it.
people get a lot of money off royalties from books and songs and
He's
stuff.
going,
Prove it.
Anyways,
You can't sing Happy
He's just
Birthday in
doing it
schools
with his
anymore
mouth
because somebody
and
bought the rights to
Yeah,
it.
he would keep his mouth still.
You're kidding, right?
No? Like at
Yeah,
public
actually,
schools,
like-
they're not allowed to
Remember Zach
sing
used to do that?
it. Yeah.
That's funny.
all right. Anyways,
Zach was
what are we doing? Number 9, right? We're ready to move on. Okay, on 9, this is more like vertex form. Although there's no like plus number out here or anything. What does that -2 do to the graph?
Moves it
Right.
over right.
Right 2. So where would the vertex be?
Right to.
2-0.
2, 0.
What? Or what?
Test them.
Okay. This is a positive parabola, so it's going to go up. So the vertex is at the
Max.
bottom, so it's the minimum.
I like how when Sebastian gets it wrong, everybody's like, geez, Sebastian, you're so dumb. But Sam just gets it wrong and
No.
nobody cares.
Oops.
Yeah, just chewed out Sebastian like 10 minutes ago. 10 seconds ago. All right. Is it going to go up steeper or flatter or same?
We found it, Jay.
Yeah, there's like a nothing, no number in front, so it's like the same.
How was that likely?
Where did it even come from?
I mean, did they give you those bags or something? Did you have to buy them?
No, you can buy them.
Thought you took it from Hitler's.
What you
None yet. Okay, 2, 0, right there. Oh yeah, we gotta make the other points. Forgot. So what other x values should I plug in?
3, 4.
Okay, if I plug in 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. If I plug in 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 squared is
4. Yes, you are.
That's my bad. I'm supposed to be partly in the next one. You're a butthole.
Oh.
hey, whoa, whoa.
You're a butthole.
It's me. Whoa. Sam.
Sam's bringing up
Let's keep it PG, Sam.
Sorry.
I'm gonna tell on you.
Do it.
Just run it about you.
Do it. I'll give you her number. You're gonna get this
Yeah.
taken off YouTube because
Yeah.
you said butthole.
Yeah.
Oh my god, no.
Yeah, but they didn't hear it until you said it, Leo.
Yeah.
Viewer discretion is advised.
I can't put for kids now. Not kid friendly.
Is no. What? It's not a joke, Chink. Millions of families suffer from it every year. Michael!
Okay, 11 and 12. Make sure you take good notes on this one, so
Oh.
maybe I won't have to re-explain this to everybody.
Oh.
Theory.
Okay.
We've used this trick, it was a long time ago at the beginning of the chapter. Okay. This is going to be a parabola. It's written in standard form. It's not just like a down 6. It's when you have this plus 2x, this just makes it a little more complicated. Basically, the vertex is going to be at negative b over 2a, where a and b are the a and b from quadratic formula.
So it's
Um,
negative 2 over,
negative 2 over 2 times a half,
which is 1.
which is negative 2 over 1, which is negative 2. Okay. That is the x coordinate of the vertex. So guess how I find the y coordinate?
0. Zeros for the x.
No. The y coordinate that goes with the x coordinate.
You
Plug in the x, and that'll give you the y. Put in the x, and that gives you the y. So if I put this in for x, I get negative 2 squared is 4, times half is 2. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, 2 plus negative 4 is negative 2, minus 6, negative 8.
Okay.
So it's going to be kind of low on the graph. So when I go to make my axes, I'm going to put the x-axis at the top. All right, that was question number 1. Second question was, what? Is that going to be a maximum or minimum point?
minimum.
The graph's going to be going up slowly, right? So it's a minimum point.
The right thoughts in my head, it just
Sure.
doesn't make sense.
I think you're shooting from the hip.
Hips
You
don't
just
lie.
stop it.
Yeah, so prove it, Sam.
Yeah, what do you mean, Trey?
What are you asking for
Prove it right
exactly?
now.
You
That's
don't
not
prove it,
Sam.
Sam.
It really would be weird to switch you guys.
Just get in front of the camera. Turn around.
No, that's not going to happen. All right. Is it going to go steeper or flatter than normal?
Flatter.
Flatter, because the 1/2.
Sam lived the time of his life over there.
So you might want to put that x-axis pretty high so we can go down to negative 8.
Remember when J-Lo and her did the halftime show at Super Bowl?
Do you know show I'll talk about that?
I don't know, probably not.
Sounds like something I should have.
Negative
Okay, what other x values should I plug in?
1 and 0.
All right, if I plug in negative 1, I get 1/1/2, minus 2, so it'd be negative 1/2 minus 6, negative
I
7.
thought it was plus 2.
It's minus 2 when you multiply by negative 1. If I plug in 0, I get 0, 0, minus 6.
Getting kind of late. I think we should
Call it a night.
just work on the evens now.
Or we just,
On number 11.
we just keep on going.
like, can I have more porridge or something?
Yeah.
Please, Santa, give us some more.
They don't
Alright.
know what